should take it slow.
Survivors, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with another video. If you're not subscribed and you're still here, girl, thank you so much, my honey bunny. It's greatly appreciated. I love you. But it's the first time seeing your girl, seeing my face. Where have you been? Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell, because you won't be disappointed of any of the content that I bring to you. I promise. Without further ado, guys, it's a review, guys. Now, oh my god. Woo! Oh my god. Are you seeing this beautifulness? Tammi, hello sweetie. You know what? I am so excited for the Revolution and Tammi collaboration, because it's one of the YouTubers that I actually love to watch. She's got it going on. She deserves all of the praise. She really is doing it, and this palette is just amazing. I'm so here for it. First of all, let's talk about this lovely packaging, sweetie, and the price. So this right here, it's not going to be a normal review where I say, oh, where do you know the price, or do you know what I mean, is it worth your coins? Because I generally believe already, I haven't even tested out this palette, and I generally believe already it's worth your coins, because all this beautifulness for £10, sweetie. Yes, you heard me right, £10 I paid for this palette, and it's beautiful. Just look at the packaging. So it says it's Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, Tammi X Revolution, Tropical Paradise Palette, Tropical. Ugh, I'm shook already. So it says with love at Makeup by Tammi, and that basically is her Instagram if you don't know, and I'm sure that is her name on YouTube as well, Makeup by Tammi. So already it's beautiful. It's giving you that sunset tropical vibe, the beautiful gold hair. Yes sweetie, I am living for it. I see where you was going with this, sweetie, and you have pulled it off with the packaging. Then I'm going to take my trusted tweezers, sweetie, and I'm going to open this case. It's such a big palette for £10 as well. I'm like, wow. And it's heavy, it's weighty. So that's what it looks like on the outside. This is all raised up, so very cute, very very shiny and shimmery. And then at the back it shows you all of the colors that you are to expect in this beautiful palette. Then you open it. So I'm going to open it like so. You open it, and then that is the outer packaging. You get a nice little protective sleeve to protect your palette on the inside as well as the outside, which is cool. Oh, this is beautiful. Whoa, it is shining like a diamond, sweetie. So that is what it looks like. I'm sorry that you're getting all that flashback from all of my beauty lights, but I have to show you this beautifulness. Can you see all my makeup? Just a little tour because it's that shiny, sweetie. I'm giving you a tour through the palettes. Oh, so again, very cute, very shiny. Then on the back it just has all of the ingredients like you normally would get, sweetie. I've just realized that this is actually a mirror. Wow, I can see myself really clearly. Like, honeys, can you see yourselves really clearly? Can you see yourselves really clearly? Wow, crazy. And then you open the palette, and oh my god, this is just full of deliciousness. Look at that. Wow, guys, you get 23 colors. Wow, 23 colors, so beautiful, and a big mirror on the inside. I can't get over how much this is so reflective as a mirror. It just got a little bit of a tint on it, that is it. Wow, I am living for this palette. Ooh, already ain't done nothing. But yes, let me read you the shades, sweetie. So the shades are as follows. So you have Moonlight, Pina Colada, you have Enchanting, you have Queen Lou, Tropical, Burning Heat, Coconut Cream, Coraline, Majestic, Nutmeg, Paradise, Exotic, Carnival, Caribbean, Golden Sands, Pure Pea, Rainforest, Treasure, Waterfall, Adventure, Midnight Straw, Rich Soil, Isles of Spice, and that is what you get. All of the names on the sticky. You already know I don't really live for names being on the sticky, but I understand it with this palette only because you literally don't have nowhere to put it. Like normal, the palettes that I kind of get upset with is that when they have the big thick round black around it where you could have just stamped the name on it. But considering you can't put the names on this is quite cute to have because you will take more care of it. But oh my days, guys, again, look at what you're getting for £10. Not only are you getting a bomb ass mirror on the front and inside. You're getting it all here, all this shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. So again, you guys already know, when I start my demos for you guys, you already know I don't know what look I'm going to create. I've got to look at the palette for a little bit to see where I'm gonna actually go with this look. I don't even know, but I'm gonna try and go with, maybe I'm thinking of going with Caribbean for my base. It's a bit bold because it's like a pink shimmer, so that is Caribbean. That's Caribbean right there. There she is. I'm thinking, yeah, start off with that and go kind of deeper as you go along. So this is what Caribbean looks like, and I'm about to do a look, sweetie. She's very golden and I am loving her. She's getting all of the love right now. Yes, Caribbean, take me to the tropics, sweetie. Take me. I need a break. And it's blending very, very nice. It's not too shimmery where it's just like, ooh, crazy. It's beautiful. And that is Caribbean, sweetie. Very light, very shimmery, very gorgeous. And then I'm not sure what I would go in with next, but let's see. I'm thinking of darker color to go in next. I'm thinking maybe go in with Carnival. There is she. That is Carnival right there. Oh, she is beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Are you seeing this beautifulness? Wow. Can you see? So beautiful. And I think we should go in with a gold. I don't know. I think a gold will make this look even more. It will go with everything that I'm doing. And the gold is called Golden Sands. So I think we should go in with some Golden Sands, which is this beautiful shimmery gold called Golden Sands. I'm just going to pack it on. So that is the look so far. Obviously it's very raw, very not finished. I'm going to go off camera and do the finishing touches, and then I'm going to come back with the swatches and my review, sweeties. So here is the finishing look, guys. Oh my god, I just had to do it. So I went back in underneath my eyes with Carnival just to give it that glow, but this is the look, guys. I put on some mink eyelashes because I just feel like this needs it. And then I went in with the I Heart You Revolution Unique Unicorn Lipstick in Magical Delight. So this is the lips. This is the lips. You guys already know about this palette. Oh my god, guys, this is the look that I created with the Tammi X Revolution palette. It is beautiful. Just remember what you are getting for £10, guys. Now I'm gonna try and do some swatches for you. I've got lots of tattoos, but on this hand I don't. I'm going to do the swatches for you guys. That, guys, is enchanting. Can you see that? That is just beautiful. Then this is Queen Lou. Then we're gonna go in with Tropical. So beautiful. Then we're gonna go into Burning Heat. Then we're gonna go in with Coraline. She's beautiful. Then we're gonna go into Majestic. Then we're gonna get into Exotic. Then Paradise. Then Caribbean. Then Carnival. Then Golden Sands. Can you see Golden Sands? Right here. Then we're gonna go into Rainforest. Then Treasure. Then Adventure. Then Waterfall. Then Rich Soil. Then Midnight Stroll. Then Isles of Spice. And then Nutmeg. So those are the swatches, guys, for this beautiful palette. I am feeling it. I am loving it. I am here for it. Is it worth your money? Yes, it is, sweetie. It's worth your money. It's worth your coins. Why wouldn't you spend your money on it? The swatches are just absolutely gorgeous, sweetie. And then you got these swatches on this side, you know, gold. You got everything. You got the base colors, you got the matte, you got the shimmer, you've got the pigmented, beautiful eyeshadows. You get lots of them as well, all for £10. Tammi X Revolution is a beautiful palette. It really does bring the tropical colors, the trees, the sands, the goldeny colors, the oceans, the the green. Yes, honey, this is beautiful. I like it, and I'm loving the way that I look right now because of you, boo boo, and because of Revolution. I had to go in with the Revolution mascara. Yes, sweetie, I just had to go in with the mascara because the mascara is popping. Then I went in with the palette, which you already know, and then I took it down with the unicorn lippy lips. I am so shook. I am so happy with this palette. Tammi, you did so well. Thank you, Revolution, for bringing this to the world of makeup. The boys, the girls, everybody loves this palette, and I know why. It's been your girl, Ruriko Yamazaki here, sweetie. Whoa, I nearly dropped the palette that I like. It's been your girl, Ruriko Yamazaki here, sweetie. Yes, that's all that your love and your order anybody needs, and I'll catch you. Yes, you. The one that came to the end of the video and had to be a girl, sweetie. I'll catch you on another video. Yes.
Maybe you should take it slow.